model, 59-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 diesel 1.9 TDI PD 104 PS van body, white, panel van mileage, 21005-2 MOT, 6 February 2024 engine, 1896 cc 1.9 TDI 104 PS transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Slightly underpowered, injector number 2 will need replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Airbag light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows HPI, clear cap retail, 2,500